In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram IP ban. The first thing you want to do is launch open your settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. A list of all the apps installed on your device will be shown. You simply want to scroll down and find Instagram from here, then select that. Now tap on the option of storage, then tap on clear cache. Once that is done, now you want to open the Play Store or App Store on your device. Now you want to search for Instagram. If you find the update option, simply tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After it has been updated, tap on open. Now check if your issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, then you simply want to wait for the ban to lift. Instagram may impose temporary IP bans for suspicious activity. Wait for 24 to 48 hours. This will resolve the issue automatically. If not, then you want to contact the Instagram customer support for this. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.